As Customer Support Manager for Supremo Coffee, you must resolve support issues quickly to keep customers satisfied. Oracle Service provides the right solutions to make every customer interaction matter. Sophia, your customer, has questions about recently purchased products and opens the chat window on your website. With Oracle's open, cloud-based platform, easily deploy digital assistants and integrate with call center apps. With Sophia's information provided, the Oracle Digital Assistant can offer details like recent orders. And Oracle Knowledge Management delivers relevant responses and articles. The assistant can automatically ask questions and capture information to determine how best to automate service. Oracle Intelligent Advisor delivers personalized advice through branching questions using natural language processing. After confirming Sophia's purchase is eligible to return, Oracle can deliver shipping labels and other highly useful content, all within the chat. And when Sophia wants to speak with someone about a replacement, she's seamlessly transferred to you. Instantly view the full transcript, and even offer live video chat to demo replacement products. After seeing several coffee grinders, Sophia agrees to purchase one. In a few days, Sophia receives her new espresso machine and uses the Oracle Digital Assistant's knowledge article to help with setup. Using IoT, Sophia's machine is remotely monitored. After 6 months, an issue is detected and an alert is automatically triggered. Sophia instantly receives a text message and responds. The digital assistant connects with the service scheduling application to show available appointments, helping Sophia quickly schedule service. As the appointment nears, Sophia can easily track the service technician. Thanks to IoT monitoring data, the technician quickly identifies and resolves the issue. Finally, Sophia completes the feedback survey that the field service application sent to her phone. Now that you've delivered a proactive and personalized service experience, discover what Oracle can do for your business.